Get your serial keys at gvgmall.com. Use my discount code to get 20% discount on Windows 10 Pro and buy it for $12. The same applies to Microsoft Office 2016, which you can buy for $30. Hello guys, Ancient Gameplays, I'm Fabio Pisco, and today we have a new video, short but informative one. Today I'm talking about SliverTV. Is it legit or not? Before you think about it, no, this video is not sponsored at all. But I'm doing this because I saw many people on websites and on the internet looking something like, is SliverTV legit? Can I gamble on SliverTV? Can I do this? Can I do that? Okay, first thing people need to understand, everything that is related to gamble in general, for example, gamble with money, in general, it is made for you to lose. Because what? Like poker companies, like casinos for example, and SliverTV is not different. SliverTV is a company. Companies are made to get profit. So if they don't get profit, they will have to close. So they need a good margin of profit to stay alive. And that's exactly the point. So while most of people will lose, some will win maybe. Let's say like 10% will maybe win something, while 90% of the people will lose. But that's how they get their profits, and that's why they are a company. A company needs profit, so all about gambling is kind of messy and kind of shady business, but still legal. Yeah. Now the question of this video, is SliverTV legit or not? I think they are, because I won that mouse that mouse, it's a Razer Abyssus version 2, okay, it's the Razer Abyssus version 1, it's from 2014, okay, it's from 2014, it's kind of old, but it is still new, so it still has the plastic, the tape, so completely new. I just had to pay the transport, it was like $10, and after like 1 month the mouse is here. So are they legit or not? Well, at least the mouse is here. Well, I did not win this. Actually, it was my brother who was using my account on SliverTV, and well, he saw this with like 0.8% chance, and he was like, oh, let's see what I can win from this. And he played, and he won! He won with 0.8% chance. So, pretty cool, the mouse is here, so are they legit or not? Yes, I think so. And well, since my brother was the one winning this, I will film him opening the case, and my Portuguese is taking over. And well, testing the mouse and other things to see if it is working or not. Thanks a lot for watching, hit like, subscribe, and let's now go to the part that you really want to see, the mouse. See you soon. Okay guys, I'm using my camera from the phone, so the sound quality is different, but here it is, my brother opening this damn mouse. I will be talking with him in Portuguese, but I will have subtitles, I can tell you. E então, o que é que achas?
Deixa eu ver aqui.
Estás com vergonha?
Mais ou menos.
Okay, let's see it, let's watch it. Okay. Seems fine.
Yeah.
It's an... Yes, the Razer Abyssus ambidextrous gaming mouse. Okay. It is kind of a cheap mouse, but anyway, I only had to pay like $10, so anyway.
Foi dar certinho.
Not really much. Okay. The mouse looks fine to me. Okay, Abyssus 2014. Okay, made in China. I think this has an optical sensor.
Acho que sim também. Parece.
Yeah. Okay. This is the best part of the mouse. The mouse doesn't even stand a point by this Razer shit. This is Razer shit completely. So nobody cares about this brand, but the mouse is cool because it was really cheap. I'm using now a SteelSeries 1. And this knife. Be careful about this knife. Anyway. Now we have the manual. Okay, let's turn the mouse on. Liga aí o rato para ver. Okay, is it gonna? So I'm gonna show you my. Okay, I have this. Drink water, guys. Drink water. Anyway, my build. My Vega 56.
Tá aqui, funcionar.
Okay, it is working.
Yeah, é óptico.
Okay, it's optical. Good to know. Okay, feels good.
Deixa eu ver aqui.
No lights, right?
Tem. Agora
Okay,
tem.
okay,
É,
it has a light! Okay, it is worth it now. It is not RGB, but it is worth it because of the lights. The mouse may be a crap, but the lights are worth it. And well, okay, this is optical, but this has kind of a light, I think.
Yeah.
Strange. Oh, it is. It has a light, so the camera can capture the light. I'm not actually seeing these lights you are seeing now.
Nem eu.
I don't see it, but the camera does.
Neither.
Interesting. So well, the mouse is functioning. So free is free, like $10 free. It is functioning well, and well.
Boa coisa, cabe bem na mão e tem esta coisinha aqui do lado para segurar.
So it's kind of happy because of the mouse. So that looks cool. We can actually see his current build. Let's watch it. Okay. I have also this side, of course. This is his build. Okay, sorry for the image quality. And it also has a SteelSeries mouse. Yep, SteelSeries mouse.
Rival 110.
Yeah, the Rival 110. And guys, that's it. I'll try to catch both of us with the camera. So guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. Hit like, subscribe and share the video because that is very important. And see you in the next one. See ya!